My name is Money Man, entrepreneur, business expert, and most importantly, millionaire. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get out of your economic struggles with one simple trick. Yeah. Always ask me, what's the secret? What's the secret to all this stuff you got? Let me tell you something right now. I can assure you, there ain't no secret. Alright. Gotta make money moves. You gotta make money moves. That's what I'm saying. You gotta make money moves. Money moves. Money moves. Money. People always ask me, what's the secret? There is no secret. Gotta make money moves, man. Keep it rolling. Get paid. Money.
This is a certified hood classic.
Money moves.
Money move!